I am Mahitosh. Welcome to the Toast classes, and this Toast classes is going to in these classes I am going to explain you some of the basic concept of the class 12 physics. And today the concept we are going to discuss is the conductors and insulators. So, dear students, you have studied regarding the conductor and insulator in previous classes also. What are conductors? You have studied conductors are those substances through which electricity can pass easily. These are known as conductors. And the examples of the conductors you have studied all metals, human and animal bodies, and earth. They are the examples of conductors. Conductors can conduct electricity. The reason is that one because conductors have free electrons inside it. As a result of it, electricity can pass through easily through the conductors. Here, so what are the conductors? Once again going to revise. Conductors are those substances which allow passage of electricity through them easily. They have free electrons inside it. Examples: metals, human and animal bodies, art, etc. They are conductors. One question generally asked from this topic is that one: which is the best conductor of electricity? And the answer is silver. Silver is the best conductor of electricity. Very important fact. Why silver is the best conductor of electricity? The reason is that one, the silver has large number of free electrons inside it. That's why silver is the best conductor of electricity. Now next topic is insulators. Regarding insulators, our previous knowledge is that one, insulators are those substances which offer high resistance to the flow of electricity. Any insulators, once again, insulators are those substances which offer very high resistance for the passage of electricity. And the examples of insulators are here. Most of non-metals like glass, porcelain, plastic, nylon, wood, they are the examples of insulators. And important fact is that one, insulators do not have free electron inside it. Yani in insulator they do not have free electron inside it. That is the reason why electricity cannot pass easily through them. Now we come to the third type of substances in terms of the passage of electricity, and third type of substances are the semiconductors. So semiconductors are those substances which offers resistance which is intermediate those of insulators and conductors. Here I am going to write down on board. Let's see what are the semiconductors. In a nutshell, in summary, you can semiconductors. Semiconductors are those substances which offer a resistance to the passage of electricity which is intermediate those of conductors and insulators. So from the definition we can explain those substances which offer resistance to the passage of electricity which is intermediate between those of conductors and insulators. Yani it offers resistance, but that is less in comparison of insulator. Yani that is intermediate between those of insulators and conductors. And examples of semiconductors are silicon and germanium, and you will study regarding the semiconductor in the lesson semiconductor devices in detail. So here we have explained, according to the passage of electricity, the substances can be divided into three categories: conductors, insulators and semiconductors. Okay. Now the next topic in our NCERT book is earthing. Let's see what is the earthing. Earthing. So earthing, by earthing we means as you have seen in your wiring, domestic wiring, you have seen there are the three wires. One is live wire, second is neutral wire, and third is earthing wire. Generally in domestic wiring, green color wire is used for the purpose of earthing. Why earthing is needed? Earthing is considered as the safety measure. What is the role of earthing? Actually, whenever suppose there is a faulty electric appliances, there is a faulty electric appliance means suppose there is some leakage current on the metal surface of the electrical appliances, and when you touch this metallic appliance you will get severe shock. So if the earthing is provided, what will happen? This leakage current pass to the earth, and the person who touches the faulty electric appliance remains safe, not going to get any kind of electric shock. So what is the earthing mean? Earthing means, it means sharing of charge with earth is known as earthing, and earthing is a safety measure. In domestic electric wiring, generally green color wire is used for earthing. So dear students, earthing we have discussed today the substances which can be categorized in terms of passage of electricity through them. After that we have discussed earthing, sharing of charges with the earth is known as earthing. What will happen whenever there is an access or leakage current on a body and this has been connected to the ground through a wire, then this access or leakage current pass to the ground and the person who touched this faulty apparatus remains there. And thank you very much. If you have any problem regarding this topic, then you comment in your comment box. In my next video I will try to explain your problems. Thank you and have a nice day.